Okay, I finally did it. What did I finally do? I don't know, is this day 14 or 15? So it's actually day 14 and I'm finally eating some oats for breakfast with protein powder and milk. Full cream milk. I wanted to skip breakfast actually, but I can't, okay? Baby steps, alright? Baby steps. So day 14, is this a very hypocritical diet where I'm going to back into a huge lunch. Probably later I'm going to have a huge lunch anyway. So slowly lah, baby steps lah. Maybe change one meal. Either skip one meal a day or change one meal into a healthy meal. And I want to do that without reducing too much of my bulk. It's very contradicting, huh? Crazy morning of working and doing all the videos that you guys will be looking at very shortly. I think it's from day 9 all the way to day 12. For lunch, we're here at the grandstand. So since breakfast I had oats, right? I'm gonna have a big one this time for lunch. And what I really don't like, whenever I'm like eating clean, right? Yeah, I would lose a lot of weight and I'll get very lean, but my muscle mass will become small, which is what I don't like. So there's always this struggle. Oh my god, there's banana leaf here. Cocoa curler. So healthy, this will add 10 years to your life. Chicken, garlic naan times 2. Papadum. Hey, you brought the sleeping drink, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God. Oh, I think it's better than the banana leaf in Race Course Road. Anytime. You got fish and you got, what's it called? Bergedil. Oh my god, that's like one of the best butter chicken I've ever eaten in my entire life. 夸张, but yes, it's true. Banana leaf at Turf Club is pretty awesome. So after lunch, we're having just some coffee and going with our normal drink. Okay, so we are going swimming. 8 laps for the wife, 15 to 20 laps for me, and lots of fun and games for the boy over there.
Oh yeah, the pool is closed.
Huh, really? No! Oh shucks, the pool is closed for whatever reasons, I can't remember. What? Why? So since the pool is closed, right, I shall go to the gym, run 2 kilometers and do some skipping and pull-ups. And because we are such new age people, right, go gym, right, cannot use stairs, right? Must take the lift. Just so lazy. Ayo, so troublesome. Must get some card from the security guard. Forget it, I'll just run 2 kilometers outside. Okay, simple 2 kilometers just to get the body warmed up at 12 minutes. I know it's slow, right? Okay, 500 skips done, 100%, 5 sets in total. Every time I miss a skip, right, like I accidentally trip or something, right, I punish myself with 10 more skips. So I did a total of 530 skips actually. So workout over for the day, time to cool down. Okay, dinner time. I'm gonna avoid rice at all costs. And kinda good. We got pure meat, which is fish. We got kangkong. We got chicken. It's like gong pao ji. And also sweet and sour chicken from sweet and sour pork from yesterday.
Name someone that you know and I know.
Mummy, Jessie Tingly. Dinner time. Oh my god, I cannot stop eating this mango. It's so sweet.
It's the homework.
So good. Oh my god, somebody stop me.